you do not add these three things I'm about to mention on this page, like if you do not add these three things I want to tell you on this my food, this my cooking, you are not cooking this oha soup very well. Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending where you're seeing me from. I love you guys and thank you for the follow, for everything. I appreciate you guys. So today I want to make oha soup. Actually, I don't even know the name of this oha soup in English, but I know that is a native soup from the East. So if you're making this soup, there's three things that you have to put on the soup for you to get it right. And if you didn't put it, you'll be doing a lot of mistakes. So, but you're going to watch to the end so that you understand what I'm trying to say. Do not cut that oha leaf from the head like the way I showed you. Do not just pull it. Always remove that head. That head signify for the soup not to bitter or change to black or something, blah blah. It has a lot of things, but that will be for another video. And you all know how I love my dry fish. Like, I don't play with dry fish. If you know, you know. Like, I love dry fish more than beef or any meat you're going to eat. Like, it's my favorite. So I like adding enough of it in my food. And here I'm trying to wash it with hot water. Yes, please do well to wash your fish with hot water, because some time ago there's something I brought out from dry fish that made me to always wash my dry fish properly well. And here is my meat, and this meat is ready. And of course, this is my banga. I did this banga and I put it inside freezer. That's why it looks blocked somehow. So I added with my pepper. You know, this is my fish, guys. You know, when you are putting fish in food now, you put fish properly. And I top it up with some pomo, of course. Like, I love crayfish. I don't know the argument they're having in this internet that you don't cook everything with crayfish. Guys, I cook everything with crayfish and it turns out well. Like, crayfish is even better than putting Maggi and all those things. Look at soup now. Is it not souping? Are you not seeing what it's giving? And this is what is called ogili. Guys, always put this ogili inside your native soup. It gives it a different taste, a different aroma. Forget the smell at the initial stage, but it will turn out to be so well. And here is me adding my oha. Like, you have to like touch it bit by bit so that it will not just go down and scatter. Allow it to cook very well. Okay, look at it. If you're watching this my video at this point, that means you have finished watching to the end, and I love you. Please do well to share and comment, and come back and give us your own testimony. Tell us when you try this, did it really turn out well? Because it tastes so yummy. Thanks for watching.